Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you guys stumbled upon this video. So today I decided to show you guys how I lay my lace frontal wigs. I got a few requests to film this video for you guys like a few weeks ago, I think, and yeah, I thought to myself, why not? I was kind of a little scared to film this just because I didn't know how it would go, and you know, sometimes it's a struggle laying your lace frontals, okay? I'm not even gonna try fronting. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before the video starts, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you use this method and it's kind of helpful to some of you guys, I hope it is. But yeah, if you use it and it's helpful, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, so guys, here's what the inside of my wig looks like. It has a strap and only one comb at the back, but I'm gonna be using my ABH palette and I'm gonna be using my contour shade just because I don't really like using my foundation on my lace frontal. I prefer doing this instead. To me it looks more natural. You back it up the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Okay, so now the first thing that I'm gonna do is use the Got To Be glue gel in the black bottle. So my hair is braided, and what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take that gel and just lay my edges. I did go ahead, because I was wearing makeup that day, so I did go ahead and wipe off the makeup in front of my hairline. Normally I lay my wigs without my makeup on, but that day I went to church in the morning, so yeah, I had to just wipe the makeup off. And yeah, I'm just laying my edges, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on. I got this wig cap from Amazon, I believe. I don't remember the name, but it will be listed in the description box. And now I'm just going to be using my foundation brush, and I used the leftover foundation to put that on my wig cap. So this day I didn't have that much leftover foundation on it, so I had to add a little bit. But yeah, I'm just trying to blend that and make it look as natural as possible. And then I'm gonna go back with that ABH contour shade and just add some more on that wig cap. And once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and with my toothbrush or whatever brush you want to use, I'm just gonna go and put one layer of gel in front of my hairline. So this is where I realized I messed up. I was kind of distracted that day and talking at the same time as I was filming this video, but normally I would normally put my wig on first, and just to see, you know, where I wanted to lay, and then I would go ahead and basically put the gel in front of my hairline. But this day I kind of messed up. I don't know, like I said, I was distracted. I've done it like this before too. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, now you see me after my first layer. While that is drying, I'm just trying to see where my wig will fit, and I'm gonna add this bandana, I guess, to keep the hair, because I don't want any hair in my face while I'm trying to lay my wig. So it's just to keep it away from the front of my face, basically. So normally some people like using a blow dryer, but I just prefer letting it air dry. I'm just on Instagram or watching videos, whatever, just waiting for it to dry. So now I'm just going to touch it and make sure that it's kind of tacky before applying the second layer. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the second layer like I did the first time, just same old, same old. And this time, because it is the second layer, actually I'm going to go in with the Got To Be freeze spray, I think it's called, and I'm just gonna add that on top of the layer. Yeah, I'm just gonna add that on top and wait for all of that to dry. and then I'm gonna go ahead and move my wig forward and start laying it. And to lay it, I'm just going to be using something small. I just found this in my room, but you can use whatever. If a comb works for you, use a comb, but you need something that is going to help you lay the front of your wig and kind of just keep that front bit secure. So yeah, I'm just holding my wig down. I'm going ahead and laying the front first, and then I'm gonna go with the sides. And I kind of left it too long, so the sides kind of dried. So I just added a bit more got to be glued gel and kept basically moving my wig forward and laying it and holding it with that little thing. I don't know how to call it, to be honest.
I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You don't know. Bad man, instrument.
And if you've watched my previous video where I reviewed this hair, I mentioned in that video that the hairdresser that made my wig kind of made it a little too big for my head, because I have a really small head. So the wig is a little bigger, but it's okay. I kind of figured out a way to glue my lace frontal so that it stays and it doesn't look weird, if that makes sense. But yeah, I learned to work with it, guys.
Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh.
So now that my lace frontal is laid, I'm gonna go ahead with this bandana and basically tie it around my entire head pretty tight, just so that my lace frontal can be even more laid. And after I lay this, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out that other bandana that I had there to keep my hair away, because I don't really need it anymore. Now while my wig is laying, it's the best time to style my hair. So I did kind of already brush my hair out before putting the wig on my head, but I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it even more. And this particular day I decided to straighten my hair. I've been wearing it more straight lately, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some heat protectant. I don't remember the name of it, but it will be in the description box. And I'm just going to straighten this hair. So this is not a hair straightening video, but if you guys want me to show you my routine, I can go in more detail and show you guys how I actually straighten my hair. But this particular day I was going to sleep after this, so you know, I kind of did it really fast and didn't really put my all into it, if you understand what I mean.
She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I'm wanting her more. That me blow. Tell me what you want, bro. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. That me blow. Tell me what you want.
So now that my hair is completely straight, I'm just gonna go ahead and define that part. And I prefer wearing a side part, sorry, to be honest. I just feel like it suits my head shape and my head better. It just suits me better. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing a side part, and I'm just kind of fixing that part. I don't personally like putting concealer in my part anymore, but I do sometimes add some eyeshadow if I need to. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a bit of water to tame those flyaways, and I'm also gonna go ahead with the freeze spray to kind of further make sure they stay in place. So guys, this is how I lay my lace frontal wigs. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope this is going to be helpful to some of you guys. This is just how I do it. Of course, there's different ways that people have been doing it, and there's different videos on how to lay your lace frontal. But yeah, this is what has been working for me. Obviously, I do want to try the bald cap method, but obviously you know, I have to keep practicing, and obviously it's gonna get better. But yeah, just keep trying, guys, and honestly, you're gonna find what works for you. And hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Comment down below if it is. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.
What else? Your body will kill me. Up in the Ram Town.